folks, Drew Pratt with Modern Trailer Sales in Anderson, Indiana. Today we're going to take a quick look at the Wildwood 30KQBSS. We'll start on the outside here. Up front you got your power tongue jack. Make it a lot easier to get on and off the truck. Dual 30-pound LP tanks. Moving back, you got your pass-through storage compartment here. Power awning with the LED light strip. Got the Lippert solid step on them. Cool steps that you started putting on these. They just fold in and out like airplane steps almost. These are adjustable, so if you have low spots down here, you can adjust out the legs. Got dual marine exterior speakers. We got the big outside kitchen on this one. The large 110 refrigerator. Got a sink, hot and cold. Some storage in the cabinets. And an LP gas grill that's mounted on the bumper here. And that'll just swing around and store on the back for travel. Comes with the spare tire. You have your cable and satellite hookups, water hookup on this side. Now let's go inside and take a look at the inside. So here we are on the inside of the Wildwood 30KQBSS. We're going to start up in the main bedroom. Got an upgraded Denver mattress in here. Both sides of the bed you got dual 110 and double USB outlets, so you can plug your phone chargers in or iPads, tablets. Under the bed, kind of neat little feature they've got in here. Little takeout storage totes, so you can take them into the house, load them up, bring them back out. And then, of course, you can access your pass-through storage under the bed. And moving forward, you go into the living kitchen area. Got nice LG solid surface countertops. Little strainer sink cover thing. Residential style kitchen faucet. Good storage in the overhead cabinets. 10.7 cubic feet refrigerator. This fridge is a lot deeper than your typical RV style LP electric fridges. A lot more depth in there. Got a flush mount stove cover, so that gives you a little more counter space. Huge U-shaped dinette, can be made down into a bed as well. And you've got storage totes that come underneath the dinette. And your couch is a bifold bed as well. And under here we have more totes. Three big plastic totes you can take in and load up. Moving back to, well, actually we got a fireplace up front here. Fireplaces are nice. A lot of times at the campground you're not paying electricity. This is a 5,000 Btu space heater as well, so safely wired on its own breaker. You can run that and save your propane, and most of the time people will get by just running that for their heat as opposed to the furnace. Soundbar does have interior and exterior speakers. Moving back, you got your bathroom in here. Bunkhouse model, so we do have a tub, so you can give the little ones a bath if you need to. We got a vent fan in there as well. Little storage here on the way back to the bunk room. Pocket door to close off the bunk room. You've got a dinette on the driver's side that can be made down into a bed. This upper bed can be put out of the way to give the kids more space while they're back here playing. I do have a TV hookup and a couple extra outlets and USB hookups here, and then another single bunk on this side with a ladder. So this has been the 2020 Wildwood 30KQBSS. This, as well as all other trailers purchased new off of us, come with a lifetime warranty. You ought to come out and check us out in Anderson, Indiana, Modern Trailer Sales. Thanks.